Good morning! It's 7 o'clock in the morning. We're here. Gilchrist. Ayan. Wala si Papa. Maagang nagising kasi kaya. What are we going to pick today, Vashti? We're only just here for breakfast. Kasi masarap yung breakfast nila. And we're going to try the and gusto din namin yung ano ba yun? Yung peanut butter nila dito. Masarap yung peanut butter nila dito. And yung popcorn. Ano pa? Ba't sabi ng babae, this way? Look, it's not even ready. I saw a lot of orange fruit over there. Like right out. So, bili kami ng donut. Kasi masarap yung donut nila dito. Ayan, green pa yung mga iba. But I love green. Maraming tao. May mga nag-yoga dun sa sunflower. Pero kailangan may ticket doon. Hindi namin alam. Needs ticket. Oh, that is pomegranate. Ayan, dami naman. Go pick the big one.
They're all small.
And they're like, we'll try. Ang daming bunga, guys. Ayan. Put in your bag. Ayan, si Madam Vashti, she's picking. Ayan. Ito yung masarap, guys. Tapos lalagyan mo ng tahin. Ayan, Vashti got one. Vashti got the big one. Ayun pa. Oh man, I love it. Ayan. Kasi yung masyadong orange, madaling masira. Hindi pa naman pala kain ng prutas tong dalawa. Ang daming bunga, oh. Ayan. Daming bunga. Let's go doon. Ayan, marami din bunga ng pear. This is pear, guys, all the way over there. And this is apricot. Ito. Ayan, ang daming bunga ng mga pear. Siguro mga November, October. Ayan, kasama ng mga pomegranate. So, babalik ulit tayo dito. Mag-pick ng maraming pomegranate. Oh, ang daming bunga dun, oh. Ayan. Ayan sila, namumulot din. Nagpipick din. I like the green one over there. Let's go back. Ayan, oh. Charan! Daming bunga, guys. Oh. Ayan, dito mas marami ang bunga, guys, oh. Ayan, ang daming bunga. But there's more. Wow. Ayan, siksik. Ang lalaking blackberries. But $4. Mas mura sa ano. Oh, we'll need this one. And I like the red one. Get a plastic bag. We need onion. Get a plastic bag. Ayan, 75 per pound. And we need the smaller plastic bag. Ayan. We're going to the sunflower area. Ayun yung sunflower area. Kailangan ng ticket dun, guys. And we're here sa mga squash. But ang daming flower o bawal. Not allowed to pick flower. Squash flower. Ayun o, ang dami. Ang daming mga flower. Ayun. I like that flower for my pinakbet. But not allowed, guys. Yeah, but they said no picking squash flower. Ayan, ang ganda yung ginawa nila ngayon, guys, kasi nilagyan ng shades buong vegetables area. Okay. Ayan, ang daming mga squash, daming flower. Ayan, hanggang doon. So, hindi siya mainit. There's Vashti. Lah, Vashti? Ayan, paano na yan, guys? Nabusog na ako. Ayan, paano na yan? Nabusog na tayo. Sa kakakain under the tree. Ayan. Marami pang bunga doon. Ang daming tao. Lalo na dun sa may sunflower. Sayang, hindi kami nakakuha ng ticket. Kasi kailangan may ticket pala. And dapat sa online pa bibilin ang ticket. The flies are going on your phone.